Alright, well, hey guys. Alright, so, morning, I just woke up, and I told you I would smack Espi awake, so this is what I'm doing. I'm gonna smack her awake. But, sorry if you're not looking at my face. This is my phone, obviously, like, right there. Anyway, so if it goes out of picture and everything else, I'm sorry. Can't really do anything about that. But yeah, we're gonna wake Espi. Well, I'm gonna wake Espi. You're gonna watch. Yeah? Alright. I guess let's get started. Alright, so here's Espi and my Winnie the Pooh sheets. She's sleeping, obviously. The question is, do I want to smack her? Do I want to push her off the bed? I think I'm just going to smack her because I think it would be less painful. And I don't want to hurt her that much. I mean, she's still Espi. So, I'm going to smack her. Yeah? Okay. No, actually, I think I'm going to jump on her.
I hate you so fucking much. Holy shit.
Time to wake up.
You. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Oh my god. You fucking suck ass. Ow. I think I broke something. You're so mean. I really hope you guys enjoyed that, because if you didn't, then I'm gonna, personally, beat you up. Because that must have been pretty enjoyable. And also, Cody, if you're watching this, turn the camera around.
It always has to do something with Cody, doesn't it, Espi?
No, it does not.
Yeah, I think it does. This is all for Cody, isn't it, Espi?
No, it's not, because if it was for Cody, then I would actually look presentable.
Yeah, okay, well. That was my version of an alarm clock. So, bye.
Bye. And I have one more thing to add. We might do a couple challenges today, but they're not gonna be easy. They're not gonna be like the tin can challenge. We're not gonna do that. Or we're probably not gonna do Chubby Bunny either. But we're probably gonna do simple card challenges, where we hold the card above our head. We're probably gonna do that just to pass the time today, because I'm gonna be at Jesse's house for probably almost the whole day. So, bye guys. Love you, our Ushaboos. Please subscribe and follow. I got it. Please subscribe and like the like button below. Below.
Right. Bye.
Bye. Get in the picture. Bye. Got fun now.